you can do it!
Victory.
Come on, dig deep.
Hi everyone, me, Saman, Island, and today we're going to be opening the new Pizzoodles, and thank you so much for sponsoring this video. Woo! All of them are mixed with food as well, so it's an animal mixed with a food. Yeah, and so like there's one called melon bites, and that's a shark mixed with watermelon, which is really this one, right? Yeah. And we haven't actually picked yet, so you might as well pick first. Then me. Let me get one.
Also, they all have different pieces, like amounts.
Yeah. So that one has 22. This one's 25. This one's 21. This one's 27. This one's 23. This one's 23. Pizzoodles are basically like puzzles, and I love puzzles and things like that. And it's really cool to snap them together.
Tiana loves building things.
Yeah. Yes. And Summer's choosing hers first. And then me and Isla.
Let's take a look at them.
Oh, this is super cute.
This is dino cake. This one's pretty cool as well. It's caterpillar roll. And then this one is chimpanzee.
That one's really cute.
Yes. And then this is melon bites. That's so tropical.
Yeah.
I think I'm going to pick this one because it's really cute. It's a turtle mixed with a burger and it's called slow food.
Oh my gosh, it's literally a turtle in a burger.
Oh, and it comes with 22 pieces. Now it's time.
Okay. So this is the perfect taco. Dino cake, melon bites. That's quite cool. I might pick that one. Chimpanzee. I want to see this one. Caterpillar roll. Okay, I'm picking this one. This one has 27 pieces, and it's basically a sushi, which looks like a caterpillar.
That's really cute.
Oh, that's so cute.
And the white face is the rice.
Yeah.
Now it's Alice's turn.
Yee. There's some more on the back which you guys can collect, and there's actually 8 in total. Isla's turn.
Right.
Dino cake. I'm going with perfect.
Super cute.
It's so cute.
It's a taco mixed with a cat. And the cat's pink.
They're so cute. Whoa! That is long. Wow. This is so cool. Oh, I like this.
This is how you
Okay, so. Whoa!
Is that a piece, Tiana? So you got a tiny piece there.
Wait. There's more. Whoa, they're falling. I don't know if there's any more in there because there's tiny. This is the burger bun. Oh, wait, what's this bit? The thing which goes on the top. Is it tomato? Yeah.
So, girls, you've got your instructions if you need some help right here.
Yes.
Okay.
Helpful. And I.
Make sure you don't mix up your pieces, yeah?
Yeah.
Because you know why? I've got an idea.
Why?
I've got an idea.
Why? What are the two things?
Listen to this. What do you think to this idea? I think we should do a challenge.
What kind of challenge? Is it the first person to build?
No. Jelly bath. What about if we put some of the Pizzoodle pieces in the containers? Probably like 10 in each container. Not 100, 200.
Yeah!
And it's the first person to find all 10 pieces of the Pizzoodles wins. And then you can come back to the table and add them to your pieces, what you've already got here, and build them.
So there's no prizes?
There's your prize, Pizzoodles!
It's like without stopping, like after we find one, we keep on going.
Look, good point. Non-stop. So the first person to find 10 pieces of the Pizzoodles is the winner. And Tiana, the last time we did the challenge with Jelly Baff, you lost. Good luck this time. Okay?
I never win this.
Does that sound good?
Yeah!
Let's do it.
Now my last bag.
Ooh, now my second to last bag.
I can see you. These are the eyes of the turtle. It's super cute. Look at the thing. Last bag.
I've just opened my last bag and I was only just on my second.
Yeah.
Here are my 10 Pizzoodle pieces which are going in the jelly bath. And then here are my extra pieces which are not going in the jelly bath.
So these are my 10 pieces which are going in the jelly bath. And these are my spare ones.
And these are my 10 pieces which are going in the jelly bath. And these are the other pieces which are not. Guys, this is so cool because we are actually allowed to use 2 hands.
Yes.
And we can also grab 2 at a time. Put them into our bowls. Bowl people. And obviously I've got my ball right here. I'm really, really, really excited and I'm also nervous too.
Yeah.
Because I lost last time.
And I won last time.
Yes.
I haven't won until the first challenge.
Summer's not won for a long time, so good luck for you, Summer. Isla, you won the last challenge. And by the way, Summer, I changed some of your Pizzudo pieces in your container, just like this one, because it wouldn't sink.
Oh.
So don't look out for the yellow ones because they've gone.
Oh.
Okay. So this is going to be fun. So we've got 2 hands,
2 hands.
10 Pizzudo pieces into your bowls, and you've got to count them yourself.
Oh.
So when you think you've got your 10 pieces and you've counted, just shout, you've won. I'll do the checks. If you've got 10, you're the winner.
Wow.
Then we'll build the Pizzudos at the table.
And see if it makes a puzzle.
It will make a puzzle.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
Arms up. 2 arms. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, I can't find any. And they're all disappeared. Oh, I've got 2.
Good girl. I see Isla. Isla's got, is that 2, 3,
4.
4? Well done, Isla.
Look how much I have.
Tiana's doing well as well. Summer, how many have you got?
I don't know.
Come on, T. Come on, Isla. Summer, come on, you can do it.
Oh, I need to take a victory.
Come on, dig deep, dig deep.
2 more. Wait, I think I've got 10.
There it.
10.
You sure? Count. Count.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10. Tiana's the winner. Now for second place, Isla and Summer.
7, 8, 9.
One more, Isla. One more, Isla. Have you got it, Isla? Count. Double check. Make sure you count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Well done. So Summer, just do a count of your pieces for the Pizzudo.
1,
2.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Right, find your last one. Come on, Summer, dig deep.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
One missing. Summer, you need to find your last piece.
Okay, so now all 3 of us are going to help Summer find her last piece of the Pizzudos. Go. I found Ali's hand. That's my finger, Summer. I picked it out. It's hard. Mine isn't. What? Got it.
Well done, Tiana. What have you got? It looks like a tomato.
Put it in the tomato.
American. Tomato.
got zoodles built, and here is my caterpillar roll. Here is slow food, and this is perfect taco. And out of them all, I don't know which was my favourite because I like the cuteness of that one, the flexibility of this one, and the yumminess of that one. Yeah. I don't really know. I like them all so much, and I can first, second, third. Maybe that should be third because you got slow food.
Oh, that means she was slow at the challenge. So was it fun building?
Yeah.
We
didn't know about the jelly either.
Yeah, it was a good surprise.
Awesome.
Yes, and also thank you Blip Toys for sponsoring this video. Wow. So yes, all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Love you, music on. Love you.